I'm going to serve a liquor or liqueur. So my guest, my lady guest, has ordered a marula on rocks. We say on rocks means with ice cubes. So always remember, when you are serving, you have to serve the guest on the right hand side and not on the left. You can serve by passing on the left if there is a tangible obstacle on the right side. So I'm going to serve my guest. Excuse me, madam. Your amarula on rocks.
Thank you.
Pleasure. As you can see, when I arrived on the right hand side of my guest, I've asked the permission and repeat the order before serving the order. So always you have to ask for the permission if you want to do anything on the table, on the guest table. Understand? Good. So here, my second guest, I'll serve the beer, the cold beer, in a cold glass. Okay. Excuse me, sir. You ordered for Skol cold. Thank you. And then, when you are opening the beer bottle, you have to make sure that you put it away. Because if you open it, like here, and if there is something wrong, so you may pour the beer on the table or on the guest, right? So reason why we bring it away from the table and open slowly. After opening, make sure that you put the corkscrew and the capsule in your pocket, right? And then you take the glass in your left hand and put it at 45-degree angle so that you can start to pour, right? And when you are pouring, you have to pour slowly, and the bottle is not allowed to touch to the glass. And you pour. So in order to get a very good head, you make it right and you create a head. As the Pilsner glass is 0.3 liter and this one is 33 cl, so it's compatible to the Pilsner glass. So there is no liquid left. Yeah, in this case, I'll take away the bottle, the empty bottle. Thank you.